Now let me tell you, I will tell you a small story to show you the importance of Karma Yoga. Just listen to this story. Yeah, this story is trying to tell you why it is important to know the principles of Karma Yoga. This is just an introductory class for you. We will go into detail about many of these topics in the next few classes. This story is just telling you actually क्या important है life में, or whatever you say, how to overcome our difficulties. इस जीवन को तर जाने के लिए actually क्या चाहिए. This story is pointing out towards that. It so happened that there was a village, and in that village there was a river running across the village, and many times the villagers had to cross that river to go to the other side of the village to sell whatever their vegetables or milk. So every morning they used to go on the boat. The boat would be full of these villagers. They would go to the other bank. After some time they would come back. So one morning all of them gathered, and they saw in the boat a Panditji was sitting. In those days, you see, long time back, the Panditji was the only educated man in the village. All the others were simple village folk. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आता था उनको. So they sought the Panditji and at once bowed down to him. And then Panditji said, "हाँ बैठो." Then all of them sat in the boat. And then now their purpose is to go to the other bank of the river to sell milk and vegetables and all that. So as the boat started moving across the river, it was a wide river. So it started moving, and then the Panditji started showing his knowledge. He said, "आप लोगों को सांख्य आता है? सांख्य philosophy?" They said, "नहीं पंडित जी." तो योग का कुछ आता होगा? Do you know yoga? No, we don't know yoga either. तो वेदांत कुछ आता होगा? No, वेदांत भी नहीं पता है. आप लोगों को कुछ भी नहीं पता है. जीवन का मकसद क्या है यही नहीं पता है. कभी पढ़ा नहीं, सोचा नहीं. He went on like this for a long time. Now it so happened that when they were in the middle of the river, a storm started brewing. And the waves started rolling, the boat started swinging, and everybody got frightened, and there was lightning and thunder, and the storm increased, and everyone got frightened that the boat will capsize. And that is what happened, you know, the boat started shaking very heavily. And then one of the villagers asked Panditji, "Panditji, आपको तैरना आता है? Do you know swimming?" And Panditji said, "नहीं, वो नहीं आता मुझे." Then he said, "आपको सांख्य आता है, वेदांत आता है, योग आता है, सभी आता है, लेकिन आपको तैरना नहीं आता, अब डूब जाएंगे आप." And that is what happened. The boat capsized. It turned over, and all the villagers swam and went, but the Panditji drowned. If you do not know how to work properly, you will drown in the sea of life, even if you know everything else. यही चीज है. If you know how to work properly, तर जाओगे आप. You will use your karma, your profession, your career, your family, your relationships, everything in order to reach a very elevated goal of life. Otherwise, you can make a mess out of life. Karma can be used to bind one or to free one. The same action. So the ideal of Karma Yoga is to so use karma, to so use your action that it frees you, that it brings great good to you and to others. This is the art of effective action.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.